Hi guys, this is Pabbly Connect workshop. In this video, you will learn how to integrate DocuSign to Pipedrive. DocuSign is used to electronically sign a document and Pipedrive is an awesome CRM software. So basically what we are trying to do is anytime a document is signed by a person, the data will be automatically inserted into Pipedrive as a new deal. But DocuSign and Pipedrive are two different companies, hence there is no integration between them. In cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. In this video, we will use Pabbly Connect to integrate DocuSign to Pipedrive. It is actually an easy two-step process. Let me show you how it's done. So first of all, you have to visit the website called as Pabbly Connect. So this is the website. Here, click on Sign In. So when you click on Sign In, you will be brought to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have an account in Pabbly Connect. Now bring your attention to this part called as Connect. Here, click on Access Now. Here you will find a button called as Create Workflow. Just click it. A dialog box appears in front of you. Here you have to enter a workflow name. I'm going to give it as DocuSign to Pipedrive. Then click on Save. When you click on Save, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. Here in the Choose app, change it from Webhook to DocuSign. In the choose method, we have to keep it as configure webhooks. Basically what we are trying to do is, we are trying to integrate DocuSign to Pabbly Connect. So let's go to DocuSign. Here click on settings. So this is the settings page. Now draw your attention to the left bottom. Here at the left bottom under the integration you will find an option called as connect. Click on connect. Now bring your attention to add configuration. Just expand it. As you can see, you will find an option called as custom. Click it. Okay, so it is asking you to assign a name. I'm going to assign a random name. Let's say DEF. Now coming to the most important part, the URL to publish. To get the URL to publish, go back to Pabbly Connect and copy this and paste it here. This is the URL you want. Scroll down. And in the trigger events, bring your attention to recipient signed completed. So basically this means that whenever a document is signed by a recipient, the system will trigger. Just check it. Then click on add. Okay, it is showing that you have successfully added the configuration called as DEF. Now let's see whether Pabbly Connect can capture any data from DocuSign. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect and click on capture webhook response. So let's create a response in DocuSign. Go to home and here let's upload a document. So I'm going to upload, let's say this map. Open, then click on next. Okay, so I'm going to send to a person called as Kusum. Her email address is 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Okay, the name is Kusum and the email is 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Then click on next. So I'm going to assign a signature field here. That's all we need at this moment. Then click on next. Email subject, let's keep it that way. Email message, I'm not going to add anything new. Then click on send. Okay, it's showing that the envelope was sent. So let's check in the mail of Kusum whether we have this mail from DocuSign. Okay, so this is the mail, Gmail. Okay, so the document has arrived. Just click it. And let's review this document. Then click on continue. Okay, so I'm going to sign in. So this is my sign. Then click on finish. No thanks. Okay, so it's showing that the copy has been signed. So let's check whether Pabbly Connect has captured this data or not. Going back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, it is showing that it is waiting for a response. Just give it 1 or 2 seconds. So the data has arrived. As you can see, this is the recipient action, that is signer. The recipient email address 𝗪𝗵𝘆27@gmail.com and this is the recipient name, that is Kusum. So basically we have successfully integrated DocuSign to Pabbly Connect. Now we have to sync this data to Pipedrive. To do that, let's click on this plus button. When you click on this plus button, another window appears. This is called as the action window. Here in the Choose app, change it from API to Pipedrive. In the choose method, we have to change it from create a person to create a deal. Then click on connect. In select your credentials, we have to keep it as new credentials. To get the API token, just go to Pipedrive. Here, click on Profile. Now bring your attention to Company Settings. Click on Company Settings. Here, bring your attention to Personal Preferences. Click it. And now you will find this button called as API. Just click it. So this is the API key you want. Just copy this and paste it here. Then click on Save. So when you click on Save, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of this blank is to create a deal, a prototype of a deal. So in the title, we have to map in the detail, that is the username. In the creation date, let's map the date when it was created. So this is the date. Status, let's keep it as open. Stage, let's keep it as qualified. Owner is 𝗪𝗲𝗍, that is me. Organization is again 𝗪𝗲𝗍. Okay, so the person ID, let's keep it as blank. Probability, let's keep it as blank. Value, blank. Currency, it is giving a default. Let's change it to my currency, Indian rupee. Visibility to me only. Then click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, so the API response is showing that the data has been sent. So let's check in Pipedrive whether a person or a deal called as 𝗪𝗵𝘆 has been created or not. So let's go to Pipedrive and we can find the deals here. Okay, these are the leads, sorry. We can find the deals here. Yes, we have a person, we have a deal called as 𝗪𝗵𝘆. The organization is 𝗪𝗲𝗍, the owner is 𝗪𝗲𝗍, and it was updated at 30 September 2020. The status is of course kept as open, and the stage is contact made. So the presence of this deal shows that we have successfully connected DocuSign to Pipedrive with help of Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a new document is signed by a person, a new deal will be automatically created in Pipedrive. But for your satisfaction, let's check it one more time if the integration is working fine or not. To do that, let's go back to Pabbly Connect. Save this workflow. Okay. Minimize this. Save this, okay, and minimize this. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First we integrated DocuSign to Pabbly Connect, and then we integrated Pabbly Connect to Pipedrive. So now DocuSign is directly integrated with Pipedrive. So let's go back to DocuSign and let's send another document to a new customer. So this time I'm going to send let's say, okay, the picture of Robert Downey Jr. Open. Click on Next. So this is the email. The name is STD and the email is edisnashek265@gmail.com. So I'm going to send the document to this email address and the name is STD. So let's click on Next. Let's add a signature field here. Then click on Next. Then click on Send. Okay, it is showing that the envelope was sent. So let's check in the email of edisnashek whether he has got the message from the mail from DocuSign. So let's change it to edisnashek. Okay, so this is the Gmail of edisnashek. Let's open it. So as you can see, we have received the mail from DocuSign. So let's check it. Let's review it. I agree. Continue. I'm going to assign a random sign, adopt and sign, and finish. No thanks. Okay, so it is showing that the copy has been signed. So let's check in Pipedrive whether we have a deal called as STD. So here is Pipedrive. Yes, we have a deal called as STD. So our integration is working absolutely fine. So from now onwards, whenever a new document is signed, a new deal will be automatically created in Pipedrive. Also, you should know not just DocuSign and Pipedrive, you can integrate a ton of applications using Pabbly Connect. Thanks.